Coming to the next topic in an operating system is storage management strategy. So strategy is divided into several categories. First one is phase strategy, second one is replacement strategy, third one is replacement strategy. Okay, so in phase strategy, it means that we are taking the data. Okay, process of moving the data from secondary memory to main memory. It decides which piece of data to load in the memory management. Phase strategy were divided into two categories. First one is demand phase strategy and second one is anticipatory phase strategy. Okay, so in demand phase strategy, system places the next piece of program or data in the main memory when running program execute it. Anticipatory phase strategy means attempt to load a piece of program or data into memory before it is executed. In short, we can say that just taking the data. Bring the data. Okay, so in placement strategy. So next one is placement strategy. So after fetching the data, we have to place the data in the memory. In short, we can say that placement strategy decides where in the main memory to place the incoming data. Place the incoming data. Okay, so in replacement strategy. Okay, so in replacement strategy, when memory is too full to add a new program, the system must remove some of a program or data that currently resides in the memory. Okay, this strategy determines which piece to remove. In short, we can say that which data remove from main memory to make more space. Which data remove from main memory to make more space. Okay, so this is the concept. So these three strategies does the memory management will follow. First one is fetch the data, and next we have to place the fetch data in the main memory. And replacement strategy, suppose there is no space in the main memory, we have to remove the unwanted data that is present in the main memory. So this is the three strategies and this is the concept. So thank you.